My mum and dad are visiting, and this recipe today for white chocolate and raspberry muffins is one of Mum's recipe that was actually published in a multicultural family carer recipe book, and it's very delicious. I'm going to get behind the camera and they're going to make these white chocolate and raspberry muffins. Are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Are you ready, Mum?
Yes. Into the bowl we add 2 cups of self-raising flour.
Into this we add 2/3 of a cup of caster sugar.
And a pinch of salt.
And into this bowl we add 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk.
All I do is actually just use whole milk with a little bit of vinegar. So I measure 3/4 of a cup of milk and just like a couple of teaspoons or a teaspoon of vinegar. And I give that a little stir and just leave it for a few minutes, and that will sort of make a sort of buttermilk.
Plus 125 grams of melted butter.
And 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 egg.
So yeah, we mix all this together
All this
now,
together
the wet
now.
ingredients with the fork. We add the wet ingredients to the...
Yeah, I know, Kit.
Okay, go.
And now we add the wet ingredients to the flour.
And the other dry
sugar
ingredients.
and the other dry ingredients. Stir the mixture till we get it all nice and smooth.
And what are you doing, Dad?
I'm just breaking the chocolate up.
That's a 200 gram block. How much chocolate do you put in?
Oh, just a little bit over half.
How much, Emma?
No, what's it?
How much do you reckon, Mum?
More. That's why they all like the chocolate muffins I make, because they're generous.
And I'll cut that up.
So that's almost a 200 gram block. So it must be like 150 grams of chocolate.
Yeah. If you're generous, really generous, and you feel like that day, you can add the other bit.
No wonder you like these muffins. So do you add the whole box sometimes?
Yes, because it's not worth it. It's 2 or 3 blocks, and you think, oh, the people.
Am I going to put
Wait
this
a minute, put it in there.
And the raspberries, hey?
Well, yeah.
I'll give you the raspberries.
But
Where do they go?
it's best not to add the raspberry yet.
Okay.
Until you've got rid of the chocolate. I can put the
Mixed
chocolate.
it up.
So your recipe says 1 cup of raspberries.
1 cup. All right, a big cup. A big cup.
Put it in there.
Yeah. Wait a minute, Kate, there. Now this.
You don't like that spatula?
No, it really makes it hard to get.
Okay, thanks, Mum.
Some more, Kate.
Some more.
More raspberries?
Just a few more. That's all. That's enough, Kate. That's right.
It looks beautiful, the mixture. Do you always put your mixture in patty pans?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And these ones are good, right? Because they don't stick.
No, the food doesn't stick to it.
Oh, well, I reckon they'll be beautiful. Oh, I have to put the oven on.
This is better. You got to be very neat with it, kid.
You're a very neat cook, Mum.
It's quite stiff.
Yeah, the frozen raspberries make it stiff. That's normal. Mum and Dad, do you cook together a lot now?
Sometimes,
It makes it easier, I guess, we get older.
as we get older.
And my dad never cooked in his life, did you, Dad?
No, I just ate the food.
Yeah.
That was me.
And he always reckons he was full, just getting topped up. Is that right, Dad?
I was always fed
Yeah.
up. I didn't realise how hard it was.
They look good. They smell good.
Be careful, kid, don't you? You don't want to squeeze them.
And you leave them to cool for about 10 minutes or so, do
at
you?
least, love, at least.
Yeah. They always look pretty with ice and sugar, don't they? I'll break one open. Oh, they're still warm. Oh, they come out nice.
Yeah.
So that's what they look like. Oh, they look moist, super moist. Yeah, I can't try this. Here, Mum, try a bit.
What? Oh,
Because they're... Here, Dad, try a bit.
Thank you.
tastes very good.
What do you think, Dad?
Yeah, they're good.
They're good?
Yeah. Like the outside is nice and crunchy and the inside is very soft.
Okay. So you're happy with them? You're happy with them, Mum? You reckon we should leave it rest longer, Dad?
Before you
Yeah.
eat them. Yeah.
But they feel beautiful to me. They
Yeah,
feel
oh,
really...
they come out of the pan. Yeah.
Yeah, and that... And they look super moist.
Yeah.
They look really good. Do you want to try another bit? Or you want to wait till after lunch?
Yeah, we'll wait till after lunch.
Okay, I'll give Micah a try. Thank you, Mum and Dad.
Muffins, very good muffins.
And what was the texture like?
Well, outside crunchy, inside soft and moist.
This is the woman that I got the love for cooking from. You've got no idea. Growing up, we used to have cooked dinner every night, but it was always 2 courses, always a main course and a dessert, and a lot of the time soup, because I'm one of 5 children and they had to fill us up.
Mum was the last to sit down, the first to get up from the table.
Yeah, and I'm really grateful to my mum because she's instilled the love of cooking and food in me, and she's just a really beautiful mum and dad.
Thank you.
That's all right. Love you.
2 silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.